My video is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site Bestavoffers.xyz. This site, Bestavoffers.xyz, is a dangerous site. It targets Google Chrome and other browsers, and the real purpose of this pop-up is to make you basically download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you ever see these pop-ups by Bestavoffers.xyz, don't trust these fake alerts. They are fake and they are deceptive, and just leave this deceptive page. Also, I would recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the program, and once it gets successfully installed, start investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively identify and then effectively eliminate all other threats which could still possibly stealthily remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.